Boys Make Noise is a workshop that I love to offer with Bridge Arts Ensemble. It was originally designed to allow rooms of boys to feel more comfortable making noises that may not feel familiar, like in singing. I've noticed in the last couple of years, as the Bridge Arts Ensemble has grown, so have a lot of our students. And so I want to make it very clear that while the title is great and boys can love to make noise, this workshop is open to anybody of any gender identity. The workshop is designed to get us in touch with our bodies and to acknowledge that singing is more than something that happens right here. It happens throughout the entire physical structure. So for those who love to play video games, for those who love to play sports, this is a workshop that can show us that singing requires the entire body and requires our full attention and can be super fun. In the workshop, we spend a little bit of time talking about why we like singing, why maybe we don't like singing, and how we can move from one place to another from our mental point of view. We do physical warm-ups, we run around the room, we make silly noises together, and then from there, I like to address the individual needs of each student or each classroom. Perhaps I'm in a chorus room working on a particular piece of music, or maybe I'm dealing with a soccer team who just wants to get more in touch with the sounds they make that come out of their mouths. We yell, we whisper, we laugh, we scream, and then we sing. From there, I find it really exciting to watch as some of the shyer students in the room grow in confidence, how other students who maybe are natural-born leaders start to invite other people to join them in raising their voices in song. And at the end of the day, I love this workshop because I think it can move into a myriad of different environments, working with a wide range of students to help them tap into the parts of their singing experience that brings them joy, maybe is a little scary, or is looking to grow in any way, shape, or form.